And what it is we have ourselves a MESHADV Pihat, which is a 1 watt output power Meshtastic device that hooks up to a Raspberry Pi. In today's scenario, I'm running a Raspberry Pi 3, which is probably a little slow, and a faster Raspberry Pi like a Raspberry Pi 5 might be more responsive. But let's check out what WeatherBot does. And so here we are within the terminal window, or the command prompt, if you will, of the Raspberry Pi. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in Python 3 and I'm going to type in WeatherBot. And it's at this point that it says WeatherBot is ready. So now I'm going to grab my phone. One of the things that we might consider here on the phone is if we hit something like exclamation point help, we'll get a list of commands for the WeatherBot, and they display on the back end of things for debugging purposes, as well as they should display. There it is. Perfect. We got the WeatherBot 2.0 commands. In theory, we could do any of these things. So let's check the current weather for 90210. And it looks like I'd rather be in 90210 at the moment, where it's 60 degrees, and it shows up here on the phone as well. Let's go and check the next one, and let's go hourly, and yeah, let's check hourly for 90210. And it looks like I did find a bug where I'm going to have to fix the time. It's currently showing 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. But realistically, it should be showing about 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning, 10 in the morning. That'll be an easy fix. Let's go ahead and check out the 5-day forecast. And there it is. We have our 5-day forecast, and the formatting is okay. To make the formatting better, maybe I would change the date formatting, and it might be able to fit everything about that day on one line. And now if we go to alerts, there are no alerts in 90210. I don't know, it's just a weather bot. I thought you might like to see some of the potential that Meshtastic has. Of course, you could make a trivia bot, and you can make many other bots that could be beneficial for you out in the field, even if you don't have internet services. For example, after a natural disaster, you might consider something like a logistics bot, where people could, kind of like a BBS, where they could say that they have supplies or they need supplies or what their status is, or maybe they even need to get a message out to the public in a quick way. This could be a very useful tool in those emergencies for people like the Red Cross and other organizations that may be out helping people. Hey, have a good one. Thanks for watching. 73 Mesh On. Was that cool?